There's something that's pretty loud. It might be an airplane, guys. Happy Patriot Day! Bye.